There was something that happened that my friends and I didn't handle well. But instead of talking to everyone involved and maybe teaching us how we could have handled it better, like a teacher is supposed to, Mrs. K chose to humiliate my friend group in front of the entire class. There were about 6 of us who had become pretty close friends. Basically, we'd always hang out at recess and ask each other really deep philosophical questions like, wouldn't it be weird if milk was green? But then we'd realize that it wouldn't, because if milk was green, then that would be normal, and white milk would be weird. Whoa. One time I used the phrase personal space bubble, and someone thought the word bubble was particularly funny for some reason. I can't remember exactly how it happened, but it became an inside joke, and before long we ended up just calling our group the Bubble. But it turns out that names are a powerful thing, and after a few months, the entire class knew that we had one, and they wanted in. We never set out to be exclusionary. It was just an inside joke that other kids overheard. So when someone who none of us knew very well came up at lunch and asked if he could join the bubble, it was like, that's not really how this works. He just wanted to make friends, but it was a question that we hadn't even considered, and for lack of a more thoughtful response,